In today's fast-paced world, we're all looking for ways to save time and be more efficient. The demands of modern life can be overwhelming, with countless tasks and responsibilities vying for our attention. From managing work projects to keeping up with personal commitments, it often feels like there aren't enough hours in the day. One way to do this is by automating tasks with artificial intelligence. AI technology has advanced rapidly in recent years, offering innovative solutions to streamline our daily routines. By leveraging AI, we can delegate mundane and repetitive tasks to intelligent systems, allowing us to focus on what truly matters. AI can help us with repetitive tasks, freeing up our time for more important things. Imagine having an assistant that never gets tired, never makes mistakes, and is always available to help. This is the promise of AI automation, and it's transforming the way we work and live. Imagine having an assistant that could read through lengthy documents, pull out the key points, and present them in a clear and concise way. This capability is particularly valuable in professions that require extensive research and information processing, such as law, medicine, and academia. That's the power of AI automation. It can handle vast amounts of data and perform complex analyses in a fraction of the time it would take a human. Think about all the emails you receive, the articles you read, and the reports you have to go through. It can be overwhelming. But with AI, you can quickly summarize large amounts of information and get to the heart of the matter. This not only saves time but also reduces the cognitive load, allowing you to make better decisions faster. Whether you're a business executive needing to stay on top of market trends or a student trying to digest complex study materials, AI can be a game changer. This is incredibly useful for busy professionals, students, and anyone who wants to be more productive. AI automation is like having a tireless assistant working behind the scenes, 24/7. It can help you stay organized, on top of your workload, and make better use of your valuable time. Imagine being able to delegate your most tedious tasks to an AI assistant, freeing you up to focus on strategic thinking, creative projects, or simply spending more time with loved ones. The possibilities are endless. Ready to learn how to harness this power for yourself? Let's dive in. In the following sections, we'll explore various AI tools and techniques that you can start using today to transform your workflow and boost your productivity. Whether you're new to AI or looking to deepen your understanding, there's something here for everyone. So let's get started on this exciting journey into the world of AI automation. OpenAI is a leading platform for accessing and utilizing powerful AI models. It's like a gateway to a world of automation possibilities. Setting up an account is the first step to putting AI to work for you. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process. First, head over to the OpenAI website. You'll need to create an account using your email address. Once you've verified your email, you can explore the different AI models and services they offer. For our purposes, we'll focus on their text-based models, which are perfect for summarization and data processing. OpenAI offers different subscription plans to suit your needs. You can start with a free trial to get a feel for the platform, and then choose a plan that aligns with your usage. With your account set up and a plan in place, you're ready to start automating. Now that you have access to OpenAI's powerful AI models, you are on the brink of unlocking a world of possibilities. These models are designed to assist you in a multitude of tasks, from generating creative content to providing insightful summaries of complex information. It's time to teach them how to summarize information for you. Summarization is a key feature that can save you countless hours by distilling lengthy documents into concise, digestible points. This is where prompting comes in. A prompt is essentially an instruction you give to the AI, telling it what you want it to do. The clearer and more specific your prompt, the better the AI can understand and execute your request. Think of it like this. You're the director, and the AI is your actor. Just as a director provides detailed guidance to an actor to achieve the desired performance, you need to give clear and specific instructions to the AI. You need to give clear and specific instructions to get the desired performance. For example, if you want a summary, you should specify the format, length, and key points you want covered. To summarize a piece of text, your prompt might look something like this. Summarize the following text in 3 bullet points. This tells the AI exactly what you need, making it easier for the model to deliver accurate results. Once you've provided the prompt, you need to configure the AI model. Configuration is crucial because it fine-tunes the AI's behavior to match your specific needs. This involves setting parameters like the length of the summary, the writing style, and the level of detail you're looking for. You can choose a more formal tone for professional documents or a casual style for more relaxed content. The more specific you are with your configuration, the better the AI will be able to meet your needs. Detailed configurations help the AI understand the nuances of your request, ensuring that the output is as close to your expectations as possible. This level of customization is what makes AI tools incredibly powerful and versatile. Fine-tuning the summary machine tokens models and output. Let's dive a little deeper into the technical aspects of using OpenAI for summarization. Understanding these elements will help you make the most out of the technology and achieve the best possible results. You'll come across terms like tokens and models, which are essential to understand for optimal results. These terms might seem technical, but they are the building blocks of how AI processes and generates text. A token is a unit of text. It can be as small as a single character or as large as a whole word. In some cases, it might even be a part of a word. For example, the word unhappiness could be broken down into tokens like un, happy, and ness. It can be a word, a punctuation mark, or even a part of a word. This granularity allows the AI to understand and generate text with a high degree of precision. The more tokens a model can process, the more context it can consider, leading to more accurate and coherent outputs. OpenAI models have limits on the number of tokens they can process at once. This is important to keep in mind when working with large documents. If your document exceeds the token limit, the AI won't be able to process it all at once. This means you may need to break down large documents into smaller chunks for processing. By doing so, you ensure that each section is within the token limit, allowing the AI to handle the text more effectively. Models refer to the different AI algorithms that power OpenAI's capabilities. Each model is trained on vast amounts of data and fine-tuned for specific tasks. For instance, some models are better at understanding and generating conversational text, while others excel at summarizing long documents. Each model has its strengths and is suited for different tasks. Choosing the right model for your specific needs is crucial. For example, if you're looking to summarize a technical document, you might opt for a model that has been trained on similar types of text. For summarization, you might use models specifically designed for text comprehension and generation. These models are adept at understanding the main points of a document and condensing them into a shorter, coherent summary. Finally, the output is the result you get from the AI, in this case, your summarized text. The quality of the output depends on the model used and how well it was able to process the input tokens. You can choose how you want the output to be formatted, such as bullet points, paragraphs, or even different languages. This flexibility allows you to tailor the summary to your specific needs, making the information more accessible and easier to understand. Prepping your data cleaning and categorization. Before you unleash the power of AI on your data, it's crucial to prepare it properly. Think of it like this: you wouldn't put dirty dishes straight into the dishwasher, would you? You'd give them a quick rinse first. Data cleaning involves removing any irrelevant information, correcting errors, and ensuring consistency. For example, you might remove extra spaces, fix typos, or standardize formats. This step ensures that your AI is working with accurate and reliable data. Categorization is another important aspect of data preparation. This involves grouping similar data points together, making it easier for your AI to understand and process. For instance, you might categorize customer feedback by sentiment, positive, negative, neutral, or news articles by topic, politics, technology, sports. By taking the time to clean and categorize your data, you'll significantly improve the accuracy and efficiency of your AI automation. Functions. Your AI's Swiss Army knife. Functions are like versatile tools that allow you to perform a wide range of actions with your AI. They are pre-built modules that can be easily integrated into your workflow. Imagine having a Swiss Army knife of AI capabilities at your disposal. For instance, you can use functions to extract specific information from text, such as dates, names, or keywords. This is incredibly useful for tasks like automatically filling out forms or creating databases from unstructured data. You can also use functions to translate languages, convert currencies, or perform calculations. This opens up a world of possibilities for automating tasks that involve multiple steps or require specialized knowledge. The beauty of functions is that they are reusable and customizable. You can create your own functions or use pre-built ones from OpenAI's library, tailoring them to your specific needs.